Welcome back. The battle lines are drawn in Delhi. Interestingly, it seems now that Congress and BJP find themselves on the same side of the battle. And on their radar is the Aam Aadmi Party. A day after Delhi LG ordered 3 separate investigations against the ruling party in Delhi based on a complaint that was filed by Congress leader Sandeep Dixit, AAP is left battling on multiple fronts. From accusing BJP of manipulating voter lists in Kejriwal's New Delhi constituency to predicting Atishi's arrest and alleging that the opposition to its welfare schemes is born out of nothing but frustration, Aam Aadmi Party is trying hard to counter-strike. But one after the other, its defences seem to be crumbling as evidence emerges favouring those who they seek to demolish politically. AAP convener Kejriwal today came up with a fresh allegation against the Saffron Party. Citing vote tampering under BJP's Operation Lotus, Kejriwal alleged that over 5,000 voters' names have been deleted from his constituency and 7,500 fake names have been added in just the last 15 days. The BJP in return has called him out for his alleged attempt to benefit from illegal votes. AAP MP Sanjay Singh accused the BJP of attempting to get even his wife Anita Singh's name deleted. He called it retaliation for raising the issue of Rohingyas in the parliament. But the BJP said that it is a family matter.
और इन्होंने कहा कि संजय सिंह को भी अब सबक सिखाना है। यह बहुत बोलता है, पूर्वांचलियों के हक में बोलता है, यूपी बिहार वालों के हक में बोलता है, इसको ही सबक सिखाओ पहले। वहां पर हमारी पत्नी अनीता सिंह जी का नाम कटवाने के लिए एप्लीकेशन दे दी। हमारी पत्नी अनीता सिंह जी जौनपुर की रहने वाली हैं, ये भी पूर्वांचल से हैं।
संजय सिंह की पत्नी भाभी अनीता सिंह का वोट कटवाने की 2 एप्लीकेशन, एक एप्लीकेशन मधु और एक सुरेश देवी, जो हमने अभी जांच पड़ताल की है, सब कुछ कंप्यूटराइज्ड दिखता है आजकल, उन्होंने लगाया है। और ये दोनों महिलाएं का इनके परिवार से संबंध है, पारिवारिक मतभेद है, और वो संजय सिंह भी बेहतर जानते हैं और वो भाभी जी भी बेहतर जानती हैं। तो अच्छा होगा वो स्पष्टीकरण। उन दोनों का बीजेपी से कोई संबंध नहीं है, लेकिन संजय सिंह और अनीता सिंह के परिवार से संबंध है।
On the other hand, Delhi Transport Department today also rejected Arvind Kejriwal's claim of Atishi's imminent arrest. In a letter to Chief Minister, the department conveyed that they are not contemplating any inquiry as was alleged by the party, as claims are misplaced and misleading. Citing the letter, the BJP has now hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party and has branded Arvind Kejriwal the king of lies. However, the former Delhi Chief Minister has, in the context of all these ongoing face-offs with the Delhi bureaucrats, remember this letter from the Transport Department was also written by an additional Chief Secretary, a bureaucrat, just like the notices that were sent out by the Department of Women and Child Development and Health and Welfare in Delhi against the Delhi government. Arvind Kejriwal now came out to say that Delhi government officers should not come under pressure and take wrong decisions as they will be held responsible when governments change.
मैं पहले तो सभी अफसरों को कहना चाहता हूं, आपके ऊपर बहुत दबाव आएगा, आप पे प्रेशर डाला जाएगा गलत काम करने के लिए, लेकिन ये सोच लेना दस्तखत कागज पे आप कर रहे हो और ये दस्तखत सालों साल रहते हैं। आज नहीं तो कब, जब कल नहीं तो परसों जब सरकारें बदलेंगी तो फाइलें तो वहीं की वहीं रहेंगी, दस्तखत वहीं के वहीं रहेंगे। गलत काम मत करना, कानून के मुताबिक काम करना, गलत काम मत करना, नहीं तो फंसोगे आप, फांसी पे आप चढ़ोगे। ये जो फोन करने वाले लोग हैं ये तो कट लेंगे, इनका कोई कुछ नहीं करने वाला। फिर कोई ये नहीं सुनेगा किसने फोन किया था और किसको फोन किया था, फोन का कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं है, आप कहते रहना। फंसोगे तो आप, तो गलत काम मत करना, गलत साइन मत करना।
We'll be now joined on the broadcast by Sanju Verma, who stays with us, as is Lokesh Jindal, who's still with us. Reena Gupta, Aam Aadmi Party's national spokesperson and Delhi secretary, is also with us. My first question to you, Reena, what does Arvind Kejriwal mean by saying that bureaucrats are acting under pressure and they should be wary of the consequences? Is there any evidence that you have of the fact that they are acting at BJP's behest and not on the basis of facts?
See, it is very clear that Bharatiya Janata Party is planning a conspiracy in New Delhi Vidhan Sabha. We have shown that they have planned similar conspiracies in some of the other Vidhan Sabhas also. Today, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, who is an MLA from New Delhi, he showed details of how, on one hand, Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to get votes deleted of core Aam Aadmi Party voters. So around 5,700 applications have been submitted for voter deletion. At the same time, they are bringing in fake voters from outside to cast fake votes, and around 8,000 additions have been submitted. Now you have to understand the process of the Election Commission. All of this exercise was completed and a draft list was put up on 28th of October. How is it possible in just 2 months you have such large scale number of deletion as well as addition?
Okay.
So you are
Sanjeev
on the
Verma.
whole planning to change the whole Vidhan Sabha. Can I complete? Let me
No,
complete.
let her answer your question. No, we'll address your allegation
Delhi
right
has
here.
only one
Then we'll take your
lakh
next
voters.
question eventually. Sanju Verma, yes, you are manipulating voter lists in Delhi.
You are basically
Okay. I heard Reena Gupta very intently. Now I need my time. First and foremost, Priya, the draft electoral roll for Delhi was made public on the 29th of October by the Delhi Chief Electoral Officer. Okay. And on 24th of December, all the problems that were raised by various political parties across the spectrum, their problems, their grouses, their complaints, they were addressed. Okay. Now, on the 6th of January 2025, the final electoral roll will be published. तो पहले तो draft electoral roll के बाद जिसकी जो शिकायत थी उसे 24 दिसंबर को एड्रेस किया गया, duly addressed, और 6 जनवरी को बकायदा final electoral roll will be published. But my more important point is this: forget the semantics. There is a provision under the Representation of Peoples Act 1951, which says that if any candidate from any political party ahead of elections feels that fake voters are being added or genuine voters are being deleted, then the candidate concerned can fill in Form 7 and Form 12. मुझे अरविंद केजरीवाल से एक चीज पूछनी है. Have you duly filled in Form 7 and Form 12 for those constituencies where you feel
Reema
that
Gupta, has
BJP
that
is
been done?
manipulating the electoral rolls?
Reema Gupta, has that been done?
Can I respond?
Yes, please.
देखिए, हम पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं और हम ऐसे फालतू के काम नहीं करते हैं. फॉर्म 7 भी भर दिया है, 12 भी भर दिया है, शिकायत भी दे दी है, सब कुछ हो गया है. लेकिन पूछने का सवाल ये है, सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये है कि अरे keep quiet. Yeah, why does she use this language?
Ma'am,
problem is कुछ आता
everybody is
जाता
getting
है,
their time and
बेवकूफों की
opportunity
तरह
to speak.
बैठ
Please
के
go on. We are really short on
फालतू की
time.
बातें करती है ये औरत. चुप कराइए
Ma'am, let's
इसको,
be
मैं
civil,
सामने
please.
जवाब दूंगी.
Okay.
फालतू की बातें करनी है सिर्फ.
Reena Gupta, answer me this. You said Aam Aadmi Party is a well-read party. Has Aam Aadmi Party read the letter that has been put out by the Additional Chief Secretary of the Transport Department saying that there is no investigation against Atishi? Then on what basis did Arvind Kejriwal allege that she's facing imminent arrest?
So you moved on. Can I please first complete the voter issue? So how is it possible? Anywhere in the country it's not possible that 10 to 12% voters have changed. New Delhi is a VIP constituency. VIP people live there. वहां पे 12,000 नाम फेर बदल कैसे हो सकते हैं? हमारे सांसद,
But you filed a complaint about that, right?
His wife's name, Mrs. Anita Singh's name was given for deletion.
Yes,
How
but the
can an
BJP's
MP
argument to
wife's
that is
name
that
be given
Madhu
for
and Suresh
deletion?
Devi, the two
They're very
females who
much
filed that
like
complaint,
Now,
are
who is
related
it?
to Sanjay Singh.
Who is it that
Are you saying that's not true? That
is the question that needs to be asked. That
Reena,
what are you so
BJP is
scared
saying
of? What are
BJP
you
is
so
saying that the
scared
two
of?
complainants
So scared
against
of losing
Sanjay Singh's
that
wife
you are filling up
happen to
this
be
form.
related to Sanjay Singh's family. Are you saying that is not true?
What is the question?
The question is that when Sanjay Singh alleged that his
What is the
wife's
question
vote
you
has been deleted or is being cut, BJP's counter is that the complainants in that case are related to Sanjay Singh's family and it's an internal dispute. Is that not true?
That is not true.
Okay.
That is not true.
Sanju Verma, quick
And
response.
there is
Last 30 seconds. Sanju Verma, yes.
I'm sorry.
Reena, one by one. Yes, Sanju
Priya,
Verma.
very quickly. Priya, very quickly, I want to focus on the key issue here which your audience needs to know. केजरीवाल is saying, अरे कोई जब दस्तक करता है ना, ध्यान से दस्तक करना, ये सदियों तक रहते हैं. He is basically trying to bully the election commission into saying कि हम यदि सत्ता में आ गए तो एक एक का हिसाब होगा. I want to just leave your audience with one thought. हम जी 10,000 सीसीटीवी कैमरा लगाएंगे, हम जी 10,000 इलेक्ट्रिक बसेस लाएंगे, हम जी 35 स्मॉग टावर्स लगाएंगे, हम जी 24 मेडिकल.
Okay, unfortunately, sorry, Lokesh, I would not be able to come to you. I guess Sandeep Dixit is going to be heard by the LG, so will Congress be heard. But right now on this debate, we don't have time for Lokesh. Thank you, Reena and Sanju Verma, for joining me. For the paucity of time, several other issues that remain to be debated, but some other opportunity we will get. Thank you, gentlemen, for watching.
The News Hour Special Edition.